Good afternoon, Dr. Juhi Deshmukh ma'am, the resource person for today's this session in AICT Training and Learning Academy sponsor 1 week online faculty development program on photonics. Uh, we have for this session, we have a very renowned personality, Dr. Juhi Deshmukh. She is a professor at Department of Psychology at Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune. Before she starts the lecture, I request one of our participants, Dr. Bharati Patil Madam, please introduce Juhi Deshmukh Madam. Bharati Patil Madam, please unmute yourself and introduce.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, please.
Good afternoon to all of you. Myself, Dr. Bharti Patil, working as an assistant professor physics in Maharaja Jivajirao Shinde College, Srigonda, Ahmednagar. First of all, I am very much grateful to the organizing committee of the present FDP for giving me an opportunity to one of the renowned resource person for today's session, Dr. Juhi Deshmukh Madam. Welcome, Madam, on behalf of organizing committee. When firstly I saw the final schedule of FDP, then one word has attracted my eyes. That word was at the center of program schedule, and it just appears me a greenery in the desert. As this word is mindfulness, and it was surrounded by all the physics, photonics based heavy topics. This word mindfulness creates a peaceful and pleasant breeze in my mind. Introduction of this topic in the photonics based FDP is only possible due to the great visionary president of the House Institute, Dr. G.V. Patil sir, who is medical practitioner by profession and knows the importance of today's topic also. I am happy that the organizers have shouldered me the responsibility to introduce today's renowned knowledgeable personality in the field of mindfulness, Dr. Juhi Deshmukh Madam. We know that due to coronavirus, people are started frightening the word positive because corona positive. As this coronavirus has impacted whole world and has succeeded in spreading a negativity, depression, frustration, anxiety, fear among most of the population in the world. But before corona pandemic also, each of us has to gone through stressful life due to the present life demand and lifestyle. As stress has become an integral part of our life and one cannot avoid it, we all deal with stress on a daily basis, whether we are old, young, large, small, lofty thinkers, or practical ones. Stress is unacceptable and it brings with it host of uncomfortable and distracting symptoms. Stress isn't just a feeling or a mental state. If you don't address it, it steps into every aspect of your life. So there is need to learn how to tackle this stress, and we are lucky enough to have great resource person in the field of mindfulness, a yoga and meditation based stress reducing practice with us. Dr. Juhi Deshmukh Madam is presently working as an assistant professor in the Department of Psychology in the Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune since 2015. She has completed her MA in psychology with clinical psychology specialization. She has completed her PG diploma in counseling. She is a NET exam qualifier and completed her PhD in clinical psychology. She also worked as an assistant professor in the Department of Psychology in International College for Girls in Jaipur and also St. Wilfred PG College, Jaipur. Her specialization areas are neuropsychology, cognitive psychology, positive psychology, psychological testing, and clinical psychology. She has authored several research papers in national and international journals and have worked on several research projects in the field of cognitive psychology, neuropsychology, and positive psychology. Besides this, she is a member and counselor pre-litigation Maharashtra High Court, member Central and Forensic Science Laboratory Technical and Evaluation Committee Government of India. She has conducted several workshops on positive psychology in various refresher courses, orientation courses, and also faculty development programs. She has also conducted various workshops for various corporate offices, government departments, and educational institutes too. So after going through Dr. Juhi Deshmukh ma'am's biodata, I'm sure that she will help us to get rid of stress or to reduce it or to change the view of looking at this stress or to deal with stress with positivity and cultivate a sense of inner peace throughout our daily life by teaching us the mindfulness yoga meditation based practice and will teach us how to treat stress as an opportunity instead of threat, how to change our mindset and meet the challenges head on, how to contribute to our own growth and development instead of throwing up our hands. I am sure that she will also address what can we do to turn times of struggle into opportunities for positive change by using mindfulness practice. So here we I'm requesting respected Juhi Deshmukh madam to help us to learn, understand our life-changing practice, the mindfulness. Please ma'am. Over to Dr. Juhi Deshmukh madam. Thank you ma'am.
Madam,
Thank you.
please.
Thank you, Dr. Bharti Patil. Thank you so much, everyone. And I would just like to express that this is indeed a pleasure. That Dr. Abhijit Yadav sir, he thought that something from psychology can be incorporated in this field. All my fellow friends coming from sciences, probably psychology has not been a very, very much discussed issue. But then I'm really, really happy that we are talking about mental health, we are talking about mindfulness, we are talking about positivity at this front. And this is indeed my pleasure that I'm here amongst my friends and I would be discussing on the same issue. Thank you so much, Dr. Bharti Patil, for such a generous and positive introduction. I'm really overwhelmed. Abhijit sir, do you want me to start with the session now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Great. Can I just share my slide set?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
You share your desktop, madam, and then you go for PPT.
Yeah. Can everybody see my desktop?
Not yet, ma'am.
Okay. Is it visible now? Please let me know once it is visible.
Yes, yes.
Is it visible?
No, not yet, ma'am. Just you once you unshare and then share, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you all see this?
Yes, yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So will it be okay if I start now?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, sure, ma'am. Please.
Okay, great. So a very good afternoon to all my fellow friends who are attending the session. And as I said, this is indeed a pleasure that we would be talking about mindfulness. I had a word with Abhijit sir, and that's what I told him, that mindfulness, probably we would be talking about mindfulness, but then mindfulness happens to be one sphere which can only enter or which can only be spoken about when we talk about well-being, when we talk about mental health. I think when we are in these times when everybody is struggling through stress, we all are having our own set of challenges and problems. We all are having bouts of fear, bouts of frustration and stress. And in all this fair, probably mindfulness, and just not mindfulness, there are other positive techniques of psychology or mental health which can be used for the well-being of everyone. So I would be happy if we talk about positive mental health and well-being, and then talk about mindfulness as one of the components here. Since we have 1.5 hours, I would be happy if I touch the different spheres of mental health, and I discuss with them, with my friends, on a broader term and not just one aspect of positive mental health or mental health. Before starting, I would just like to inquire, everybody okay with English, or you want me to talk in English and Hindi mix? Please just let me know so that I don't think there's a lot of Marathi speaking crowd. But then, कसं सगळ्यांना आवडेल ते मला सांगा please. How everybody would be okay. If you all are okay, me continuing with English, that's not a problem.
Madam, mix will be okay.
Okay, so you want me to have a session mix in Hindi and English or Marathi and
Yes.
English?
Yes. There are some participants from outside Maharashtra.
Okay,
So-
okay. So I'll
Yes.
keep the session mixed in Hindi and English. Anytime anybody has a problem with what I say, probably linguistically, please do let me know. And if there are queries as well, I don't mind even if you ask in between. Okay, thank you so much, sir. First thing, as I've said, we come to talk about mindfulness. Before that, we need to talk about stress. As I think ma'am spoke in introduction, that stress is something which is inevitable. And currently, the times we all are in, stress happens to be a very, very, very strong component of our lives. You know, constantly we are worried. Constantly, there are a lot of worry. Suddenly, all the teachers are into an environment which we never thought. हमें कभी नहीं लगा था हमें कैसे environment में आके काम करेंगे जहाँ सब कुछ online होगा, हमारे students नहीं होंगे, classrooms पहले जैसे normal नहीं होंगे, बहुत सारी चीजें जो हमने कभी नहीं की और कभी सीखी नहीं, कभी हमें लगा भी नहीं जरूरी होगी. Suddenly we have to learn from Microsoft Teams to Google to putting things online to having Google Classrooms, taking assignments and examinations online. So I know there is a lot of stress which is suddenly piled on, which I feel स्ट्रेस इन टीचर्स ये सबसे ज्यादा कम डिस्कस्ड इशू है. हम बहुत सारे प्रोफेशंस में स्ट्रेस की बात करते हैं. डॉक्टर्स आर हैविंग स्ट्रेस, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर्स आर हैविंग स्ट्रेस, probably people working in MNCs, they are having stress, but teachers, especially in higher education, they also have stress. I think ये सबसे ज्यादा कम addressed issue है. And general लोगों का feeling ऐसा होता है गवर्नमेंट जॉब है कुछ स्ट्रेस नहीं हो सकता है, like all easy, all fine. But then that is not the story. So I'm very sure, being a fellow person, being a friend coming from the same group, I absolutely understand the stressors we all confront, we all have, and they're very rarely being noticed. But then what basically is stress? I have a definition slide, which basically the term was coined by Hans Seile, one of the best known psychologists. But then stress, we generally say, is any demand which is placed on our body and our minds, which we are not able to cope with. If I ask you to carry on a burden of 100 kgs on your back, 50 kgs on your back for a long time, that is stress for your body. But then if I ask you to carry a certain burden on your mind for a prolonged time, that causes stress. And so is the situation. Initially had exerted a lot of pressure, then we were getting used to it, and now there is a point where we feel कि ओके हम अडाप्ट हो गए, अभी हम मैनेज करके चल रहे हैं स्ट्रेस के साथ, अभी हो रहा है, बट देन सबकॉन्शियसली इट्स स्टिल देयर. Will we be getting affected? हम ठीक से कर तो पाएंगे? Online we are not able to reach out to masses. Like if the same session, अगर यही session मुझे online की जगह offline आप लोगों के साथ सामने लेना होता, probably the session I feel would have been in a different way. हम ज्यादा अच्छे से communicate कर सकते हैं. Being teachers, we know this. So now this has exerted more pressure and more stress on us. So this is what stress leads us to. Why we talk about education and how education is different in today's world, in today's times, and this brings that अगर education का sphere बदल रहा है, then teachers का mental health और ज़्यादा important हो गया है. So what the latest researchers basically say, they say that education is on a brink of reform. Education, we have now in our times, the new education policy is already out there in India. We are talking about the new education system, something which will be at par with the West. But it is just not the West, it is us also, or it is just not India which is having these changes. Across the globe, there are some major changes which are coming in terms of education and the way education will work. We aspire to prepare students to deal with the non-routine in life. And now see, this is what COVID has taught everyone, that आपको सिर्फ अपना सब्जेक्ट नहीं आना चाहिए, आपको लाइफ स्किल्स भी आने चाहिए. चैलेंजेस आएंगे तो उनके साथ डील करना भी आना चाहिए. There are so many people who are very bright, very intelligent, but then once they were stuck with the pandemic, best of the teachers, suddenly ऐसा हुआ कि आपके साथ environment जब हमेशा जैसा नहीं है, उसके साथ अगर आप कोप नहीं कर पाएंगे, then there are problems. So again, we have to prepare our students as well with the non-routine, something जो अगर जनरल टाइम्स में होता था, वो अगर नहीं हो रहा, तो उसके साथ भी हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को कोप करना आना चाहिए. More than 86% of the countries agree on the point and emphasize that skills like communication, teamwork, critical thinking, flexibility, and cooperation have always been important for work and life. Now, see, this is what the countries, 86% countries in some latest researches, they say. Now, I'll give you an example. When we sit for recruitment, so now psychologists, they are kept in most of the recruitment panels. Majority of recruitment panels now psychologists sit. And when we sit there, that's what we tell people. अगर कॉन्सेप्चुअली कोई थोड़ा सा कम ज्यादा 19-20 का फर्क होगा तो चलेगा, बट पीपल शुड हैव गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स. इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट व्हेन यू वर्क इन अ टीम. टीम वर्क फीलिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एक इंसान बहुत अच्छा है नॉलेज में, बहुत नॉलेजेबल है, आपके साथ में ही देखेगा, आपके बहुत कलीग्स होंगे, दे आर वेरी गुड ऑन नॉलेज, चीजें बहुत अच्छी से आती हैं, पर टीम के साथ आपके साथ मिलके काम नहीं कर सकते. हम एक कमिटी में काम करते हैं, and there are few people who are always nagging, always irritated, always get angry or are never involved. It's useless. आपका इंटेलिजेंस का कोई फायदा नहीं है अगर आप टीम वर्क में काम नहीं कर सकते. क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग, जब टाइम चैलेंजिंग है, when situations are challenging, when you have a lot of burden on you, then what is required? We need some amount of critical thinking at that point. So that is important. Flexibility. I'm very intelligent, I'm very knowledgeable, I know my subject very well, but then I'm not flexible. I don't want to mold myself when the situation comes, then there are problems. And again, the pandemic again has taught us that we need to be flexible in our approaches. If we are not flexible, then problems are gonna arise. And to progress all these skills, it's very, very crucial to have teachers with positive mental health. See, only if I have a 100 rupees note, I can only lend you 90 rupees if I have 100 rupees. अगर मेरे पास कुछ है, वो ही मैं आपको दे सकती हूँ. If I don't have a positive mental health, I cannot give it to others. So before making our students compatible or capable on these grounds, it's very, very important that we have it first. And knowing the challenges a teacher confronts, it's more important to work on our teachers' mental health. This should be our agenda. So well-being of teachers, basically what is well-being? Well-being is consisting of positive relationship with others. We have good relationship with others. We have personal mastery, that I know what skills I have and how to use them. I have autonomy and feeling of purpose and meaning in life. I know what I'm living for, what kind of job I do. Am I happy with it or not? Do I go back home with a burden? ऑफिस में झगड़ा हुआ है, ऑफिस कॉलेज में कुछ ठीक नहीं है, तो घर जाके चिड़चिड़ होता है क्या? या घर का चिड़चिड़ ऑफिस में पास ऑन हो रहा है क्या? That means there's something which is not on track. So psychological well-being basically means that I am having good relationships around, not always, but most of the times. That most of the times I have control over my emotions. I know what to do. I know the purpose of my life. I am happy with what I'm doing. That basically is psychological well-being. And that's why I said that I can't be talking only about mindfulness if I don't talk about the other spheres of well-being. So this is what we are trying to do. Before talking to all of you, I have a question to all of you. I think 2 or 3 of you can unmute yourselves and please answer if possible. How many of you are very regular in your physical exercises, like going to gym? If not gym, then going for walk, doing yoga, or doing something for the physical health. How many of you are doing it? Like, I think most of you are doing it.
Please raise your hands.
Yeah, you can raise your hands as well. Okay, so Abhijit sir, I hope that there are people, most of us are talking about physical health, people are doing something.
Yes.
Yes. So great. So that's what is the thing, you know, हमारा physical health हमारी concern का issue है. 2 दिन हमने walk पे नहीं गए, 2 दिन हम gym नहीं गए, 2 दिन exercise नहीं की, तो बुरा लगे ना, हमें guilt जरूर आता है. We feel guilty. 4 days I tend to eat junk and I don't exercise, I feel guilty. But then what about my mental health? अगर मुझे 4 दिन constantly low लग रहा है, तो क्या मैं उसके लिए कुछ करती हूँ? अगर मुझे 10 दिन कंटिन्यूसली स्ट्रेस्ड आउट लग रहा है, मुझे लग रहा है मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है, मुझे बहुत चिड़चिड़ हो रही है, आई एम नॉट एबल टू कनेक्ट वेल विद माय एनवायरनमेंट, डू आई फील गिल्टी दैट टाइम एज वेल? डू आई फील बैड एट दैट टाइम एज वेल? इट रेयरली हैपेंस. हमारी फिजिकल हेल्थ इतनी एड्रेस्ड है हमारी लाइफ में कि अगर उसके बारे में कुछ नहीं करते तो हमें गिल्टी जरूर लगता है. बट देन मेंटल हेल्थ, either we are not worried for it, and if we are worried, we are not paying attention to it. हम उसके लिए कुछ ज्यादा नहीं करना चाहते हैं. There is hardly a time when I feel that okay, my mind should feel happy and I should not be doing something which makes it more worse. So mental health एक ऐसी चीज है which is always rejected. 4 दिन अगर अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, स्टमक एक हो रहा है, तो I will end up on a medication. I will take a medicine. But then if I'm not feeling happy, if I'm stressed, if I'm worried, if I'm frustrated, if I'm angry for a long time, I feel मेरा performance उतना अच्छा नहीं हो रहा, मैं concentrate नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, I don't feel like taking a step for it, which is problematic, which is dangerous. So when we talk about health, we have to talk about holistic health. I can't be talking only about physical health. अगर ईश्वर ने हमको सर, ब्रेन सबसे ऊपर दिया है बॉडी में, तो there must be some reason. Your brain governs your body. But then the fact is, we are so much obsessed with the bodies that we are not talking about our minds. I'm not saying only talk about the mind and talk about the mental health, but please let us talk about holistic health. We have to talk about our physical health, our mental health, our emotional health, social health, spiritual health. Do we pray? Do we meet people often? अगर इस पैंडेमिक में हम बहुत लोगों से नहीं मिल पा रहे हैं, तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं अपनी सोशल हेल्थ का? इमोशनल हेल्थ, अगर हमको बहुत कंटिन्यूसली ऐसा लग रहा है कि हमको कोई जना कॉन्स्टेंटली बिकॉज ऑफ समवन आई एम फीलिंग स्ट्रेस्ड आउट, एम आई ट्राइंग टू डू समथिंग ऑफ इट? Do I do something? Do I feed my brain on something? These are important questions which have to be answered. So I think we have to be talking about holistic health. Now, basically, when we talk about challenges, we have different challenges to our well-being. अलग-अलग तरह के challenges हैं जो हमारे teachers के well-being को. I'll be talking only about my teaching community in this session. So what are the different psychological challenges that teachers have? See, I'll say this is a kind of vicious trap. There's lot of burnout. Burnout is what? जब stress एक बहुत लेवल को ज्यादा क्रॉस कर जाता है, जब हम कॉन्स्टेंटली एक चीज के साथ कन्फ्रंट कर रहे हैं, एंड इट कैन बी एनीथिंग, टाइमिंग ऑफ लेक्चर्स, डिफरेंट कमिटीज आई वर्क फॉर, डिफरेंट डिमांड्स प्लेस्ड बाय माय ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी जो मेरे कंट्रोल में नहीं है, फिर भी मुझे बोला जा रहा है मुझे कंट्रोल करना है. घर का भी प्रॉब्लम है, बाहर का भी प्रॉब्लम है, आई हैव डिफरेंट इश्यूज टू स्ट्रगल विद. दे कैन सी वी आर वन इंडिविजुअल, और हमारे ब्रेन में ऐसे कैटेगराइजेशन नहीं होता. अगर मुझे घर का प्रॉब्लम है, तो दैट इज गोइंग टू इंड्यूस द सेम स्ट्रेस इन माय बॉडी एंड माय माइंड. If I have a stress related to my child, it's going to impact my mind and it's going to go to my workplace. And same from my workplace is going to affect my mind and my house. So there's a lot of burnout. पर क्या होता है, जब बहुत stress होता है, जब बहुत burnout होता है, we get disengaged. हमारा concentration काम में, and just काम, at home also. अगर ऑफिस का स्ट्रेस है तो घर में, या घर का स्ट्रेस है तो घर में भी, बाहर भी, हमारा एंगेजमेंट कम हो जाता है. मतलब हमारा अटेंशन कहीं ना कहीं उस काम में कम हो जाता है, एंड अल्टीमेटली वी बिकम डिससैटिस्फाइड. आई एम नॉट हैप्पी विद व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. There are a lot of researchers which report that 40% of teachers quit the profession in early 5 years of their career. ये टीचिंग फ्रेटर्निटी के साथ प्रॉब्लम है, राइट फ्रॉम स्कूल लेवल टू द हायर एजुकेशन लेवल. अभी कौन सस्टेन करते हैं जो गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स पे, परमानेंट पोजीशंस पे, अच्छे सैलरीज पे हैं, वो कैसे तैसे स्ट्रगल करके रहते हैं बिकॉज द सैलरीज आर फाइन, लिटिल ओके, जो मैनेज कर रहे हैं somehow that is okay, वो somehow they manage, otherwise people tend to quit the jobs. I'll tell you how basically it affects. आप देखिए आपका स्ट्रेस और मेरा स्ट्रेस, if we work as teachers, हमारा स्ट्रेस कैसे सिस्टम में प्रॉब्लम लाता है. Whenever there is high stress in the teachers, our performance in the lectures go down, and everybody does. आपका नहीं, मेरे नहीं, एक का नहीं, मेरा भी, सबका, हम सबके साथ होता है. अगर हम बहुत स्ट्रेस्ड हैं या स्ट्रेसफुल मूड में हैं तो हमारा परफॉर्मेंस लेक्चर में बहुत अच्छा होना मुश्किल है. इट्स वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट. When I'm stressed, my quality of lecture is gonna go down. My brain doesn't understand what has led me to stress, but then it affects my performance. When my lecture quality, and see, when you're in a good mood, when we are in a happy mood, our lectures go very good and the students will be happy, we will be happy. But then when there is stress, our performance depletes. When our performance depletes, the students have low motivation because they're not understanding well. They're not connecting well. Because they're not connecting well, their motivation goes low. Their motivation goes low, the grades are affected. Bad student teacher relationship happen. And then it overall affects the system. The whole teaching pattern affects. We have to understand that we all are working with higher education. हम ह्यूमन रिसोर्स के साथ काम कर रहे हैं. अगर हम कहना चाहते हैं anybody has to say something, or I think you can keep, I think the microphones have to be muted. Okay, so see, we all are dealing with students on a higher education level. Higher education level, basically we say that India is a country of youth. Maximum possible youth population is there in a country. And tomorrow if a country will develop, we have the maximum amount of, I think, raw material with us, which is the youth. आगे डेवलपमेंट कॉज करने के लिए जो मेजर आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट चाहिए वो आपका यूथ, और वो हमारे हाथ में. सो if we are not able to perform at par the requirements, probably the country will suffer. I always feel teaching community सबसे ज़्यादा ना I think underrated community है. They're not being given that much of importance, but then they're very very important. We play a role. We are human engineers. There may be engineers who are creating machines, but we create the people who will operate that machine. So we are human engineers, and it's very very important that we stay in a good mindset so that our product is fine, so that the country rises, so that the infrastructure is better. So there's a lot which is there in our hands, but then when there are stress, that leads to problem. What are the causes of stress among teachers? So I'll just briefly touch upon it and then go to the solution part of it. Lower job satisfaction. Why lower job satisfaction? There are so many demands, too many demands, and sometimes unreasonable ones. Be in this committee, be in that committee, sometimes election duties, sometimes some other duties, sometimes NCC, sometimes NSS, unlimited things going on. And there are too many demands. Sometimes leadership and support. We don't have very good leaders who guide us. Sometimes आपके ऊपर authority है, उसका भी आपको उतना support नहीं होता. Powerless on the system working. आपको काम करना है और आप suggest नहीं कर सकते कि कैसे ये ठीक होगा. आप suggest करोगे तो शायद आपके suggestions उतने seriously initially नहीं लिए जाएंगे. So these are all the challenges the teachers go through. There's so many demands from us. Good student, work well, your lecture should be good, your research should be good, your publication should be good, you should be working on different dimensions. Extracurricular भी होना चाहिए, society के लिए भी होना चाहिए, academic भी होना चाहिए, and then administrative भी होना चाहिए. There's so much which is there to cause stress, but then this is not gonna change very soon. हमें कुछ ना कुछ करना पड़ेगा so that we stay in a good mindset. I'm sure nobody wants कि हम ऐसे सिस्टम में और ऐसे एनवायरनमेंट में काम करें जहां 5 साल बाद सबको बीपी, हाइपरटेंशन और डायबिटीज हो रहा हो. Because this is what happens. This is what stress gives us. Constantly जब हम stress में रहते हैं, this is what it affects. It affects our body, it affects minds. So what can be done? How do we solve this problem? Stress is not gonna go. It's always gonna stay. That's what I think ma'am also said. स्ट्रेस कंप्लीटली चला जाए ऐसा नहीं होने वाला, बट जो है उसके साथ हम डील कैसे कर पाए इफेक्टिवली, दैट इज आई एम वेरी श्योर वी कैन डू, एंड दैट्स व्हाट वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग नाउ. So when we talk about stress, we talk about worries. I want to say this to everyone. We stay in a community where we are always being told to show our positive emotions, right from very young age. जब से हम छोटे हमें ये दिखाया गया कैसे हमें हैप्पी इमोशन शो करने, कोई आया तो स्माइल करना है, किसी को अपना प्रॉब्लम जल्दी से बताना नहीं है, हमेशा आई एम हैप्पी फॉर यू और आई एम इन अ गुड स्टेट ऑफ माइंड, ये सबसे शेयर करना है. बट देन आई एम ऑलवेज बीइंग टोल्ड दैट नेगेटिव इमोशंस आर बैड. But I want to tell everyone that please, the first thing to reduce stress is validate your emotion. Please understand the way you have your positive set of emotions, so do we have our negative set of emotions. अगर हंसना एक emotion है, तो रोना भी एक emotion है, and that's fine. If I can always feel jealous, I can always feel frustrated, I can always feel angry. That's absolutely okay. गुस्सा होना, sad होना, frustrate होना, jealous होना, चिल्लाना या कोई भी चीज, this is not bad. You can always feel stressed. So whenever you have stress, acknowledge it. Yes, I'm not in a good state of mind right now. उसको suppress मत करिए, उसको दबाइए मत. आप जैसे उसको validate करेंगे ना, you will come in terms with that situation that okay, I'm not in a good state right now. I'm not in a good mental state right now. So as I said, we have constantly been told, आप frustrate नहीं हो सकते, आप कभी खराब परफॉर्म नहीं कर सकते, ये खुद को बताया गया है. I cannot always be good in my performance. I cannot always be perfect in my things. I cannot always be on the point. So this may happen. We have to accept this. We have to validate this. So it's okay to feel jealous. It's okay to feel frustrated. It's okay to feel low. It's okay to feel unwanted. But then उसको एक्सप्रेस कैसे करना है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो जब आप उसे वैलिडेट करना शुरू करेंगे, आप उसको ठीक से एक्सप्रेस भी करेंगे. When I constantly suppress, then suddenly one fine day I blast. एक दिन गुस्सा रोका, फ्रस्ट्रेशन रोका, इरिटेशन रोका, जेलसी रोका, कॉन्स्टेंटली दबाते गए वो सारे इमोशंस को, फिर एक दिन वो बूम करके बाहर आता है. So that should not happen. I should be addressing my emotions at right time. I should be validating them. So whenever you have a negative emotion, that's what we call them, it's address it that it's there. Today I'm not at my best. Today I'm not happy. Today I'm sad. Today I'm annoyed. And the moment you accept this, you validate it, you'll be in far better condition and the stress will go low. Very, very important. Next, how to cope effectively. It is very, very important that we learn to, cope effectively with the situation. How to cope effectively with the situation? First thing is know your trigger point. What are trigger points? The trigger points are, आपको कोई एक चीज है, जैसे हमें पता चलता है, अगर everybody knows that अगर कई लोग हैं वो बोलेंगे हमें टाइम पे खाना नहीं खाएंगे तो मुझे माइग्रेन हो जाएगा. कई लोग बोलेंगे if I don't sleep in time I may have headache. Some people may say if I don't eat in time I may have acidity. Some people, so it's like everybody knows their trigger points physical. ऐसे हमारा mental trigger point भी है. अगर कॉन्स्टेंटली कोई हमें एडवाइस करता रहे तो हमें बुरा लग सकता है. कॉन्स्टेंटली हमें पता है कि अगर हम किसी एक काम को बहुत एंड तक डिले करेंगे और लास्ट मोमेंट पे करेंगे तो हमें स्ट्रेस हो सकता है. ऐसा भी हो सकता है अगर हम कॉन्स्टेंटली, if we discuss people, if I stay in a group where I'm constantly criticizing or people are criticizing others, if I stay in that environment, I may feel stress. So you have to know your trigger point. What triggers stress in you? और बहुत लोगों को लगता है सिर्फ मेंटल रीजन से स्ट्रेस होता है, फिजिकल रीजन से भी स्ट्रेस हो सकता है. टाइम पे खाना नहीं खाना, स्पेशली गुड, आई मीन आई थिंक दिस हैपन विद टीचर्स. 12-1 बजे के टाइम पे कोई लेक्चर रहेगा, एम्प्टी स्टमक रहेंगे, सडनली एसिडिटी विल increase, suddenly body will react to it and you have stress, and that will reach to irritation as well. So very important, know your mental and physical trigger points. Second, come out of the autopilot mode of the thoughts. That's what mindfulness is about. हम ना कॉन्स्टेंटली एक दिन में अराउंड 7 से 8,000 10,000 थॉट्स सोचते हैं. अगर मैं आप सबको बोलूंगी आप अपने 100 थॉट्स लिखिए आपको पूरे दिन में जो आए, आई एम श्योर आप मतलब 100-200 भी नहीं लिख पाएंगे. बट देन इन अ डे आई हैव ऑलमोस्ट 7,000 थॉट्स दैट पास माय माइंड, व्हिच मींस व्हेन आई एम कॉन्स्टेंटली इन अ मोड थॉट्स कम एंड गो, मुझे याद नहीं रहते, आई एम नॉट इन कंट्रोल ऑफ माय थॉट्स. When your mind wanders, please bring it back to your vigilance. और उसके लिए क्या करना है? Mindfulness. Be in a movement. वेबिनार अटेंड कर रहे हैं, काउंसलिंग अटेंड कर रहे हैं, दिमाग कहीं और ही चल रहा है और किसी इस बात के बारे में सोच रहे हैं. टेल योर माइंड नो, बी प्रेजेंट हियर. एंड दिस इज वेरी मच पॉसिबल. यू हैव टू डू इट अगेन एंड अगेन. 2-3-4 बार ट्राई करना पड़ेगा. सपोज से आप अपना एक फेवरेट मूवी देख रहे हैं, you're watching your favorite film, and I come and ask you, excuse me, please listen to me, and there's an important scene going. You tell me, give me 5 minutes. या आप एक important phone call पे और मैं पीछे से कुछ बात कर रही हूँ, आप मुझे क्या बोलेंगे? Just wait for a minute. Let me attend this and then I'll listen to you. This kind of mindfulness is important. This kind of vigilance is important. That has to be brought in thinking pattern. हम normally जब routine में बहुत सारे thoughts को intrude मत करने दीजिए. Come out of that autopilot mode. Next important thing is that we have to rewire our thoughts. I'm not good at this. बहुत लोगों के साथ ऐसी problems होती हैं. I see teachers as well. Lot of us will feel I'm not good at research. I'm not good with English. I'm not good with this subject. Probably मैं इसके जैसा बात नहीं कर सकता, या मैं इसके जितना इस situation को अच्छा monitor नहीं कर सकता, या मुझे इतने सारे लोग मेरे साथ में नहीं रहते हैं, और people don't listen to me. When you think in a constant way, you create your mindset of that manner. आपका ब्रेन उसी तरह से काम करना शुरू कर देता है. There is a wiring which is there in your brain, और फिर ब्रेन उसी डायरेक्शन में काम करता है. So we have to rewire our thoughts with positive thinking, with thinking in a positive manner. Don't constantly talk negative about yourself. This is very important. Negative thinking constantly makes your brain think in a specific manner. This is important. Another important thing is one day at a time. It is very, especially in crisis like this, pandemic situation में, अभी बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है कि हम एक दिन को मतलब every day, because the challenges are not going to reduce in a day. कल हम उठेंगे और कोविड चला जाएगा और सिचुएशन नॉर्मल हो जाएगी, ऐसा नहीं होगा. This may take time. So I know there are challenges which are increasing on us. We have to do so many things. Mediums have reduced, demands are higher. So take one day at a time. हर दिन कल एक महीने में कैसा ठीक होगा या नहीं होगा पता नहीं. आज का एक दिन हम अच्छे से निकालेंगे, स्ट्रेस फ्री निकालेंगे, जितना बेस्ट मैनेज कर सकेंगे सिचुएशन को उतना करेंगे. दैट्स व्हाट शुड बी द एजेंडा. And next, try and do something new. This is very, very important. It can be a subject, but it can be other ways as well. हर दिन आप रूटीन में जो चीज करते हैं उसके अलावा add something new to your life. It can be anything that you like. It may be cooking, it may be cleaning, it may be being there with your family, just going out somewhere, taking all the precautions, but add that you have not been doing for a long time now. That is coping effectively. I always tell this to people and to youngsters as well, and I think I should be saying this to my friends as well. You know, when we are stressed, when you are frustrated, we basically try and find resort outside. When we are too stressed, when I'm too stressed, people will think people either will overeat. So ये problems हैं जो हमारी society में हैं. या तो people get into food addiction, alcohol, smoking, or then money we feel. So these are just external factors. Lot of people I hear constantly during this pandemic, we were involved in counseling sessions, and we were doing counseling sessions for all the groups. We were doing it for students, teachers, and everyone. And there was a common complaint a lot of female teachers came up with, that I don't know, I'm too stressed, I'm all alone at home doing this thing, or suppose otherwise working online or whatever it is. I think I'm eating more. I just eat a lot. This is what I think a pandemic has brought to everyone. So don't feel that your power lies within you. It's not in a thing. I'm stressed, so I'll eat something. I'm stressed, so I'll use alcohol, smoking, or spend a lot of money, and then I'll feel okay. Absolutely not. Your powers and your strength lie in you. जो आपकी पावर आपके अच्छे टाइम में है, in good times, whatever are your strengths, you are a good human being, you interact well with people, you help people, the same powers are right now there. So please use them in place of other things. Next, very, very important thing, I think I would like to mention this to all my friends, is that it's very, very important to be self-compassionate, you know. अगर मैं आप लोगों से पूछूं, आपका कोई फ्रेंड है जो बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रेस्ड है, बहुत परेशान है, और आपका फ्रेंड आपके पास आता है, तो आप उसे क्या एडवाइस करेंगे? आपका फ्रेंड आपको आके बोलता है, आई एम टू स्ट्रेस्ड, आई एम टू वरीड, आई एम नॉट एबल टू डील विद द सिचुएशन. हम लोगों को बोलेंगे, हम अपने फ्रेंड को बोलेंगे, ओके, जस्ट इट्स ओके, जस्ट अ फेज, इट विल पास, डोंट वरी, बी गुड टू योरसेल्फ, डोंट वरी, एक बार स्ट्रेस है, 2 दिन, इट विल ऑल बी फाइन. This is what we have to tell ourselves. I can falter at times. I can be stressed at times. I will not be a very good mother always. I will not be a very good father always. I can falter as a teacher. कुछ चीजें मुझे नहीं आ सकती हैं. It's okay. मुझे अगर बहुत ज्यादा ऑनलाइन सब बोल रहे हैं, बहुत लोगों को बहुत हो रहा होगा, मुझे नहीं आ रहा बहुत अच्छे से. That's fine. Have self-compassion. Think about yourself. And what are the 3 things that work in self-compassion? Self-kindness. Love yourself. Don't always be self-critical. घर पे बैठे हैं, अभी कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं हो रहा है, I'm not able to go out. Lot of males and females will think I'm putting on weight. Other will feel I'm not able to study so much. Some will feel I'm not able to connect with people around. Be kind to yourself. This is not a very great situation already. I say this to people always. Consider this year as 0 year. इस एक साल में आपने बहुत कुछ अचीव नहीं किया और सिर्फ अपना मेंटल हेल्थ और फिजिकल हेल्थ अच्छा रखा ना, ये बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट है इस साल के लिए. डोंट हैव बिगर प्लान्स, ये क्लियर करना है, वो क्लियर करना है. कैज अभी 1 साल नहीं हुआ तो चलेगा, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम, देयर इज नो डिफिकल्टी. आई थिंक दैट्स फाइन. The whole agenda, especially in this year, should be that your physical and your mental health stay fine. There is no point of having a promotion at the end of a bad health, be it be mental or physical. So please be kind to yourself. For mothers and fathers, like those who have, like I'm sure you all have your children now, so or you have elderly people, your parents sometimes now. आप हर बार बहुत अच्छे पेरेंट और बहुत अच्छे बच्चे नहीं हो सकते, एंड दैट्स फाइन, दैट्स ओके. हमने भगवान के साथ कोई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट नहीं साइन किया था कि हम नीचे आएंगे और हर काम में परफेक्ट होंगे. परफेक्ट मदर, परफेक्ट फादर, परफेक्ट सन, परफेक्ट डॉटर इन लॉ, परफेक्ट टीचर, perfect perfect colleague, perfect friend. It cannot happen, and that's fine. So at times when you falter, आपसे गलती हो जाए तो जाने दीजिए. Tell yourself it's fine. I'm trying my best. I will try and be best next time. I'll try and be good next time. And it's okay if I'm not perfect now. That's absolutely okay. You have to pull yourself out of that rat race जहाँ सब भाग रहे हैं for what I don't know. And I think I seriously feel for myself as well that there was an illusionary treadmill जिस पे हम भाग. Think of myself as well. Constantly research करना है, lecture लेना है, पढ़ाई करना है, बाहर जाके काम करना है, something इधर हो रहा है, उधर हो रहा है. And when pandemic strike, हम सब घर में बैठे, कुछ नहीं हुआ. It's okay. 1 साल उतना रिसर्च नहीं हुआ, that's okay. 1 साल उतना ज्यादा हम बाहर जाके और काम नहीं कर पाए, that's fine. That's okay. We work for the community. हमने लोगों के लिए काम किया. आप अगर 2 मिनट 4 लोगों से बात करके उनका लाइफ बेटर कर सकते हैं, that's fine. So common humanity. Everyone suffers. You're not perfect. No one is, and you're not alone. This is fine. Everybody is feeling the same. Be compassionate about people around you. आप अब इस समय बेस्ट क्या कर सकते हैं आपको स्ट्रेस फ्री रखने के लिए? 4 लोगों से बात कीजिए जो स्ट्रेस में है, and relieve their stress. Talk to them for 15-20 minutes. You'll find you'll be okay. You'll feel good. And next, being mindful. Notice your struggle. Don't be reactive. Be patient and be vigilant. सोचिए क्या चल रहा है मेरे आसपास, क्या हो रहा है, क्या challenges हैं. Just be aware of the situation and don't keep judging yourself. Don't overreact. You know, I think very, very important. I tell this to everyone that it's very very important to be vigilant of yourselves. कॉन्स्टेंटली हम अपनी लाइफ में किस किस चीज से प्रेशराइज कर रहे हैं खुद को. सुबह हम उठते हैं, सुबह से डिमांड्स हैं. For females, they have to cook for the entire family, keep the boxes, lunch boxes रखना है, सबको देना है, सबकी पसंद का भी बनना चाहिए. Males again, another struggle. Earning for the whole family, doing, managing the chores, managing बाहर का सब काम भी, and then staying okay. So this already you all are doing. So first thing for a stress-free life is be self-compassionate. We can't be perfect always, and let's not put that demand on ourselves. फिजिकली परफेक्ट होना चाहिए, हम अच्छे दिखें भी, अच्छा काम भी करें, अच्छे पेरेंट्स भी बने, जॉब भी अच्छा कर लें, सब कुछ. डोंट यू थिंक दिस टू मच? थिंक अबाउट द काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रेस वी आर पुटिंग ऑन आवरसेल्व्स. खाना भी अच्छा ही बनना चाहिए, बाहर से सामान भी अच्छे से आना चाहिए, किसी को कुछ होना भी नहीं चाहिए, सबको मैनेज. दिस इज टू मच एंड दिस कैन नॉट हैपन. Do not strive constantly to be perfect because it cannot be attained. Be kind towards yourself. So the first thing I would like to suggest all my friends is that please be self-compassionate. Please have kindness for yourself. जैसे आप अपने किसी फ्रेंड को ट्रीट करते, please start treating yourself the same way. This is very very important. Next is having some gratitude, being thankful for what you have. So I always say that gratitude is the healthiest of all human emotions. The more you express gratitude of what you have, the more likely you will have even more to express gratitude for. So what is gratitude? That being thankful for what you have. Now I will give you a hypothetical situation. If we all would have interacted, अगर मेरे पास interaction का scope होता तो शायद मैं आप लोगों से सबसे पूछती और हम इस पे बात करते. But that doesn't look possible right now. So I am very sure हम में से बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो नेट सेट पीएचडी हैं, और एक टाइम था हमारी लाइफ में जब हमारी लाइफ का एजेंडा यही था. आई रिमेम्बर जब मेरा नेट क्लियर हुआ, आई यूज्ड टू थिंक अरे मेरा नेट क्लियर हो गया ना, आई शुड गेट अ गुड जॉब, और लाइफ में बस वही एक एम था. नाउ सडनली आई सी लॉट मेनी फ्रेंड्स ऑल्सो, everybody thinking oh PhD हो जाए, that's a big thing, a good job in a college, a permanent job, or working in a good college, that was our dream. And now suddenly वो सब granted हो गया. फिर हमारा अलग वही 7th पे कब मिलेगा, 6th पे कब मिलेगा, या 7th पे सही से मिल रहा है नहीं मिल रहा, सैलरी टाइम पे आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा, बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स है, बहुत किटकिट का जॉब है, कॉलेज में ऐसा प्रॉब्लम है, लोग अच्छे नहीं है. नाउ सी समथिंग दैट वी वांटेड सो डियरली वंस इन लाइफ इज ग्रांटेड नाउ. अभी कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, जो अच्छी बात है, अब हम उसके लिए थैंकफुल ही नहीं है, या हम शायद सोचते ही नहीं है उस बारे में. This is what happens in life. I tell this to everyone. When I was in standard 10th, all I wanted was good grades in 10th. अच्छे मार्क्स आ जाए 10th में, पास होके अच्छे मार्क्स आ जाए. 10th क्लियर हुआ, 12th में हमको सेम चाहिए था, 12th में अच्छे मार्क्स आ जाए. Then हमें चाहिए था ग्रेजुएशन अच्छा हो जाए, then मास्टर्स अच्छा हो जाए, and then this is endless. The list goes on. We are getting everything, but we are not thankful for it. So it's very very important. I think अगर हमें लाइफ का बैलेंस शीट बनाना है, a balance sheet cannot have, a balance has to be straight. A balance sheet cannot only have debts, it needs to have the credits as well. Then is when it is called as a balance sheet. So अगर हमें लाइफ हमारी कैसी है इसको इवैल्यूएट करना है, तो हमारी लाइफ में छोटी छोटी अच्छी चीजें क्या है ये भी हमें काउंट करना पड़ेगा. You can't be always counting the negatives. क्या नहीं हो रहा, क्या हो रहा है उसका अकाउंट कौन रखेगा. So very important. Every day this is what I advise everyone. Before you go to bed, सोने से पहले कोई भी 5 चीजें, 5 से शुरू करिए, बहुत छोटा नंबर है. आज पूरे दिन में क्या 5 चीजें बहुत अच्छी हुई. खाना अच्छा था, this is a big blessing. There's so many people in the world who sleep empty stomach. आपका मेंटल हेल्थ इतना अच्छा है कि आप और मैं इस सेशन में बैठ के माइंडफुलनेस और पॉजिटिविटी की बात कर रहे हैं. दैट मीन्स आवर ब्रेन्स आर इंटैक्ट. Trust me that this is not a guaranteed thing. I go to mental hospital and I see people in crisis, those who are in difficulty. हमने ऐसे ऐसे सीन देखे हैं जहां जब खाना दिया जाता है तो those patients who are suffering with bad mental health, वो खाना प्लेट में लेते हैं, चपाती निकालते हैं, उसको वॉश करते हैं और प्लेट लेके सोचते हैं इसको खाना है. I've seen bad scenes, bad visuals where I see a 50 or 55-year-old mother who lifts her child, अपने बेटे को, अपने 25-30 साल के बेटे को गोद में लेके आती है क्योंकि वो बच्चा मेंटली चैलेंज्ड है। ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनको 2 वक्त का खाना नहीं मिलता। ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनके छत के ऊपर शेल्टर नहीं है। एंड नाउ पैंडेमिक, कितने सारे लोग हैं जो शायद हमसे 5 टाइम्स कमाते होंगे। 5 times they must be earning than the teachers, but they have lost their jobs because of the pandemic. Thank God we have our jobs. There's so much to be grateful about in life. We have our 2 hands, 2 eyes. We can listen, we can talk, we can interact. Life के सब challenges बाद में, but then there's so much to be thankful for. So I request all my friends, every day before you go to bed, you do it and teach your children to do it. Because tomorrow the world they will be coming and it will be far more competitive than our world. And it's very important that we know what we already have than what we don't have. Very, very critical. So that's what I feel should be done. Mindfulness, I think that was very, very important. What mindfulness basically is and why we should be talking about mindfulness. So see, basically when we talk about mindfulness, mindfulness is being aware of our environment, that we stay in touch with our environment, we be there in our environment and connect to what's happening around. अगर मैं आप लोगों से in general पूछूं, बहुत टाइम जब हम एक environment में होते हैं, आप कहीं जाके आए, हम हर चीज को notice ही नहीं कर पाते. I challenge everyone. We all are going to our college and universities. Tomorrow you go to your college and university, try and find 20 things new जो आपने पहले नहीं देखी हैं, and I'm sure you will be able to find it. ये generally क्यों होता है? ये इसलिए होता है because we are so absorbed, we are so much involved in what is happening. मतलब हमारे brain में तो already there are so many thoughts, and then we are so much involved in what's happening around us that we are not vigilant about everything which is there. It's very, very important to be mindful. And mindfulness कैसे आएगा? Mindfulness comes with peace. I should be aware of my body, what my body tells me. आपका body कब demand कर रहा है आपसे कि okay, अभी I'm not able to cope. Probably there, और आपको पता चलेगा, you know, your body will be shaking, your temperature goes high when you're stressed. Your stomach will have butterflies, but then we have to notice it. We have to be vigilant of it. And only when we are vigilant of it, we'll be able to deal with it. So this is very, very important that we become mindful of the situation in which we are in which we are dealing. So this is required. I just have a question. Sir, can we have a small meditation session, a small one?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Great, great. Yes. So is everybody okay with it? Great. Okay. So we are online. It can be a little difficult for everyone. But then I will request all of you, I'll just give you all 2 minutes. If you all can do it, please, if you can close the rooms or sit in a setting where there's low voice, जहाँ कम आवाज हो, जहाँ कम आवाज में शांति से बैठ पाए. So I'll request everyone first, remove your shoes, everyone. Don't wear a footwear and touch your foot to the ground. आपका पैर ग्राउंड पे लगे, ऐसे करके आप लोग सब बैठ जाइए. Relaxed on your chairs and then we'll start. So I'll give everybody a minute and then I'll start. Okay. I hope everybody has done that. So now we'll start. I'll give instructions and everybody can follow. So please find a place where you won't be disturbed. Relax your legs. Try not sitting in a cross-leg position. Relax your hands. If you're sitting on chairs, relax your hands on the chair and keep your feet wide open. Close your eyes and relax your body. Breathe in deeply and breathe out. So when I say breathe in next, you all will breathe in. And when I say breathe out, you all will breathe out. Please breathe in. Hold your breath. Breathe out. We will do this 2-3 times. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Become aware of the sound of your breath as you inhale and you exhale. Relax your shoulders and set them free. Relax your elbows, hands, and fingers. Remove all the stress from your back and relax it. Release all the stress from your chest and relax it. Relax your stomach, your thighs, your knees, your calves, your foot, and the foot fingers. Relax your whole body. Do not open your eyes and continue relaxing. Now I want all of you to imagine that you're walking in a beautiful garden. Keep your eyes closed and imagine a beautiful garden. There are many beautiful green trees. There are lovely birds which are flying. There is a beautiful lake which has ducks. And there is a lot of breeze and all the smooth wind that is flowing. There are beautiful fruits on the trees. Now search for a big tree and sit below the tree. Any tree you like in the whole garden, you can go and sit below the tree. Imagine now that you're sitting below a big tree and the environment is all calm and cool. You can feel your breath. You can feel the vibrations of your body. You are feeling relaxed. Continue breathing. You're relaxed. Your body is relaxed. There's no burden on your eyes. Breathe out all the negativity. Breathe out all the stress. And breathe in all the positivity. You can breathe all the fresh air from the garden and feel good. Your body is light. Now, all of you, bring your two hands together and rub them. Rub your hands. And now put your hands on your forehead, your face, your ears, your hands, on your whole body. And now slowly open your eyes. Can anybody or does anybody wants to share their experience? Anyone? How do you feel now?
Please unmute and share your. I am feeling
Hello,
comfortable and relaxed.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yeah.
Am I
Yes,
audible?
yes.
Yes, you are.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm Dr. Anuja Zado, working in the same institute, Rajeshri Shahu Mahavidyalaya, in English department. It's a great experience I have now, and it gives me the another approach to see myself, to
Very good.
understand my ownness. That is what I observe.
Thank you, ma'am. So I'm very happy to hear this. Anybody else?
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Please.
My feeling no more change because there is so much of stress in the mind, ma'am. But feeling some relax, ma'am.
Great, great. So see, that's what that's what this is for. So now all of you, what you experience is mindfulness. You know, we are so busy in our lives that giving our body and mind some time to be on its own is very, 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 very critical. You know, the way you rest at night and prepare your body and mind for that, you know, vigilantly also, it's very important that you ponder over your mind for some time. And this is what is being mindful. When I'm aware of my mind and my body both, when I give my body a chance to talk to me, you know, otherwise in daily routine, I have time. I have no time for my body to interact with me. I'm constantly bombarding it with the stress. So this is what mindfulness means. When you give your body time and when you give your mind your time to interact, when your mind is aware of your body, that is what mindfulness means. So it's very, very important to be mindful. That is another important key of being or reducing the stress. So what basically when we talk about mindfulness, what we say is that it is basically being conscious and knowing what's happening around us, being present, exploring and embracing the emotions and feelings. As I said, validate your emotions. That's being mindful. That I know I'm angry and I accept and I agree that it's happening. Being kind. As I said, be compassionate. Not everything will be in your control. Be mindful that I cannot be 100% and I cannot be best at all the times, and this is going to happen. Being thankful, it's very, very important that what I have, I be vigilant of it. And being mindful, being in a mindful movement, as I said, give yourself some time to be in that situation, which is very, very critical. Next important thing of reducing stress or being positive is taking a creative pause. We all are so busy in our, mechanical lives. We are doing something which is happening every day. Every day I get up, every day I do my chores, every day I go back to my work, do and come back. What new are we feeding to our brains? हम भी तो रोज रोज दाल चावल खा के थक जाएंगे ना. किसी एक दिन हमको कुछ और चाहिए ना. Sometimes you will crave for something else. Sometimes we need a treat. And so your brain also needs a treat. आपका brain को भी रोज रोज वही काम क्यों? Take a creative pause. What is that creative pause? Doing something that you don't do on a regular basis, and that can be creative is different for everyone. As I said before, some can cook, some will like to go out and be there in the nature, some will like to sing, some will like to dance, some will like to do some kind of creative work, maybe embroidery, maybe stitching, knitting. But that's important, that's very, very important. Take a creative pause, something which is different from the routine, something that you don't do every day. Give your brain some food to think and ponder over. That's very, very critical. The point of pause is to avoid getting so wrapped up in the flow of life that you become oblivious to the possibilities around you. हम इतने trapped है life के schedule और timetable में, we have become timetables in our life. सुबह इतने बजे उठे, ऐसा निकले, फिर ये काम किया, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And your brain is tired with that A, B, C, D. And that's why it gives you stress. Break the routine sometimes. Twice a week, do something that you don't do every day. It can be anything. And it's not difficult. It's not rocket science. हमेशा घूमने के लिए बाहर जाना ही जरूरी नहीं है उसके लिए. You can do things at your home as well. I know the current circumstance, we can't go out much and do certain things. But then, yes, there are still ways to be creative. Something that makes you happy. Hobbies you have long forgotten. Especially true with females, I think. हम भूल ही जाते हैं घर बच्चा सबका. I asked a lot of females, when was the last time you cooked something you like? आपको क्या खाने में पसंद है, वो आपने last time कब बनाया था? Majority of the females have no answer to it. Males, I have to ask them, last time something, जब salary आने के बाद ये portion मैं मेरे लिए खर्च करूंगा, so that this makes me happy, ये हमने कब सोचा था? Doesn't happen. Females, the entire life go in thinking about the family, how to cook for them, how to make them happy, how to manage them. And males, the whole entire life goes in earning for the family. When will you have time for yourself? This is important. I said before as well. You can give people something that you have. मेरे पास जो नहीं है मैं दूसरे को दे ही नहीं सकती. तो peace, happiness and mindfulness और positivity आपके पास होना चाहिए दूसरे को देने के लिए. So please take that creative pause. That's very, very important and critical. Last, which is very important, I want to tell everyone that it may be stormy today, but it won't be raining forever. These are difficult times. These are challenging times, especially during the pandemic, the demands raised on us. Being teachers, everybody is talking about COVID warriors. The teaching warriors are basically not discussed. We never stopped working. Entire through the pandemic as well. हमने बहुत काम किया, but then this is not gonna be always. The situation of the crisis is gonna go, and then we will be coming to our normal times. There are few stressful situations which will not change, which will not be completely different, but still we have to manage with them. And probably I hope that whatever I discussed will help my friends to deal with the challenges somehow. So this was all from my side. I have kept last 15 minutes for the question and answers. So now please feel free to ask all the questions you will have, and I'll be happy answering them.
Thank you, ma'am. Dear
Welcome, sir.
participants, the session is open for discussions. Please unmute yourself and ask queries and questions. Else, you can raise your hand. We will allow you.
Yeah, I see Abhishek sir here. Yeah, I think you can please unmute yourself and ask the question.
Yes.
I'm Abhishek.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Huh.
Ma'am, in this situation of pandemic, most of the people are depressed, and the depression caused mostly in the environment that may be mostly in house now. So how we can deal with that environment?
Okay, so that's a very good question, Abhishek sir. What you said is right. I'll say not everybody may be depressed, but yes, we are in very negative or low mood. So see, it's very, very important. There are 2, 3 things we do every time. So we all are working, a lot of, not everyone now, but a lot of people are working from home, not going out very often. So there are 2, 3 things that I think you can take care of. First, have a routine in the whole day. If you're not going to your work, if you're not, suppose the colleges are closed, suppose still you're not out there, please have a routine. Have a fixed time for certain things. It will give your day a streamline. Second, very, very important, be oriented to the whole day. When you sit in the house constantly, don't go out, you're not aware of the sun. Sun is very important, sun, wind, breeze. सो थोड़ा सा टाइम निकालें, आप घर से बाहर जाएं, ऑफ कोर्स सेफ्टी प्रिकॉशंस लेते हुए आधे घंटे का एक वॉक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, स्ट्रॉलिंग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ये बहुत 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 फर्क करेगा आपके स्ट्रेस लेवल के ऊपर. नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इज हैव गुड फूड. क्या हो रहा है ना, इन ऑल दिस टाइम पीपल आर नॉट ईटिंग इन टाइम्स, रूटीन पे नहीं खा रहे, हेल्दी नहीं खा रहे. ये सबसे ज्यादा चैलेंजिंग टाइम है जहां हम अपनी बॉडी को ध्यान दें. हैव समथिंग. Stay in connect with your friends, keep talking to them, stay connected to your family around, and this will help. And next important thing, अभी हमने एक छोटा सा mindfulness meditation का सेशन किया. आप YouTube पे देखेंगे इतने सारे videos. Can I please request those who are not having questions to mute their mics? It is disturbing. Okay, so you can have a small mindfulness meditation session. There's so many which are available online. Pick any one that you like and please do it every day in the morning and evening. So when you feel too low, when you do these things, आप अपनी बॉडी में एक अच्छा सर्कुलेशन करते, good hormones and good neurotransmitters, and your brain stays okay. So I think these are 2, 3 things if you do, I'm sure the amount of stress will be reduced, sir. Any other
Thank you,
question?
ma'am. Neha ma'am, please ask your question.
Hello.
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 Yeah, Neha.
Hello. Good afternoon, ma'am. Hello.
Hi, good afternoon. Yeah.
Ma'am, your session was really, really good. It made me feel a smile. It put a smile on my face when I did your meditation session. It felt very good. Ma'am, my question is that रिलेशनशिप के फील्ड में भी कई सारी प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं, तो उस फील्ड को तब वहां पर हमें कैसे डील करना चाहिए चीजों को?
बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है मैम. आप इसको जरा फोकस करेंगे, जैसे कैसा चैलेंज आप बोलना चाहते हैं, रिलेशनशिप, फैमिली में, जॉब फ्रंट पे, या कैसे?
विद इन फैमिली, क्योंकि पहले तो आप फैमिली के अंदर ही प्रेशर्स से डील करते हैं ना, फिर वर्क पर तो आप सेकेंडली आते हैं ना.
या बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. तो आप कहना चाहते हैं ड्यूरिंग जो स्ट्रेसेस हैं उनके लिए बात कर रहे हैं?
यस मैम, यस.
ओके ओके. सी एज आई सेड, फैमिली में चैलेंजेस जो रहते हैं, मैं बहुत ब्रॉड, दिस इज अ वेरी ब्रॉड क्वेश्चन. स्ट्रेसेस बहुत सारे. अगर ऐसा है कि बहुत सारे लोगों का डिमांड है हमसे, सपोज व्हाट आई सी करंट पैंडेमिक में जो देखती हूँ, I work for the family courts as well. I work on counseling females as well. तो मैं बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज जो देखती का काम बहुत
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have to manage your work also, घर में भी है, लोग भी frustrated है, तो खाना भी 5 टाइप का बन, बाकी भी चीज होनी है. First thing is talk to your family members. It's always good to communicate, you know, be in touch with them.
Yes.
Always have an interaction.
Okay.
सब लोगों से बात कर पाएं, अपना प्रॉब्लम शेयर कर पाएं, उनका पर्सपेक्टिव सुन पाएं. And then very important, ma'am, what I would say, please be self compassionate. That's what I said before as well. आप सबके डिमांड सब समय पूरे नहीं कर पाएंगे तो उसका गिल्ट नहीं आना चाहिए. Do the best you can, be there, but always listen to the demand of your body and your mind as well. The best thing to bring coherence in the family is divide the chores. सब में काम बांटिए, सबके साथ मिलके बात कीजिए उसके बारे में. If there are misunderstandings, कुछ चीज नहीं कोप हो रही है, तो जब आप इंटरैक्ट करेंगे, बात करेंगे, तो शायद वो सॉल्व हो पाएंगे. If there are anything specific points, probably that you can say, or you can talk to me later as well about it. But then broadly, this is how it can be managed.
Okay. Thank you so lot, ma'am. Your session was really good. I feel really
Thank
really
you.
happy
Thank you.
after listening that.
Thank you. Thank you so much. That's a pleasure. Yeah.
Dr. Barote, sir, please ask your question. Okay, Dr. Piyush.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
please ask.
Actually, ma'am, my question is a little bit big, ma'am. Actually, actually, ma'am, I am in.
Others, because I can't listen to the questions otherwise. Yeah,
Hello.
Piyush, please.
Yeah, ma'am, I am in teaching line, ma'am, since 1999, ma'am. It is almost 20 years. And I am one of the faculty जो मैम जिसको जबरदस्ती इस फील्ड में खींचा गया from my principal and director. And now after 20 years, I am thinking कि I am in the wrong way, ma'am. Teaching line is the worst place where we are doing job, ma'am. AICT and UGC is doing worst, I think, as per my opinion, ma'am. Because in India, especially in India, ma'am, the scientists who are specialists to do the research, ma'am. For research purpose, we are appointed scientists, but they are doing nothing. Government employees are doing nothing. All the pressures of research and R&D is going on the faculty of a private institution and private colleges, ma'am. ठीक है, number one. Number two, private institution and private colleges are not doing giving salary in like suppose करिए एक assistant professor की salary is 70 or 80 90 plus है, but they are giving them 30 or 40,000 only, and after that we are expecting कि वो उसमें research भी करें अपने पैसे से. UGC will not give fund to you because you belong to private institution. UGC will not give to fund to you, and they are thinking कि आप अपना पैसा जो कॉलेज ऑलरेडी कम दे रहा है उसमें भी आप अपने पैसे लगा के रिसर्च R&D करें, अदरवाइज हम आपकी ग्रेडिंग नहीं करेंगे, सैलरी नहीं करेंगे. उसके अलावा देयर आर सो मेनी प्रेशर्स आर देयर कि आप ये काम भी सिंस यू आर वर्किंग इन अ प्राइवेट इंस्टीट्यूशन, तो आपको एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव वर्क भी करना है, ये भी वर्क भी करना, वो भी करना है, अदरवाइज आपको निकाल दिया जाएगा. ड्यूरिंग दिस पैंडेमिक पीरियड मैम, एवरी गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय इज गेटिंग फुल सैलरी, बट नाउ अ प्राइवेट फैकल्टी मेंबर 20% ऑफ द सैलरी. मैनी ऑफ द इंस्टीट्यूशन आर सेइंग नो वर्क नो सैलरी. Many jobs are मतलब बिल्कुल जॉब नहीं है. तो how in this condition in India, ma'am, it is just I think कि बोलना कि stress कम करना, this is a fake, ma'am, I think.
Absolutely. Okay, Piyush sir, I'll try and answer this. मैं थोड़ा सा आपको मतलब मैं अटेम्प्ट करने की कोशिश करती हूँ इस क्वेश्चन को. देखिए, जो आप कह रहे हैं वो बात पूरी तरह मैं नहीं बोलूंगी सही है, पर बहुत हद तक बात सही है. जो पहला सिचुएशन आप कह रहे हैं, टीचर्स, यस, द प्रोफेशन हैज ऑलवेज बीन अंडरवैल्यूड, इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं. बट देन आई थिंक देयर आर बीन सम स्टेप्स टेकन टू एंश्योर कि उसका फॉर्म ठीक भी किया जा सके. अब प्राइवेट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस का प्रॉब्लम या चैलेंजेस जो है वो आई फील सिर्फ टीचिंग तक कन्फाइंड नहीं है, हर जगह है. आप आई वर्क इन काउंसलिंग सेक्शन एंड आई वर्क फॉर लॉट ऑफ MNCs, sir. So, and I don't want to name MNCs here, but the top-notch companies in India and abroad right now, आई विल टेल यू 2-3 केसेस अभी ऐसे थे कि जहां हमने क्लाइंट से बात की अपने, जो बड़े बड़े कंपनीज पे बड़े बड़े पोजीशंस पे काम कर रहे थे, ऑफिस गए, ऑफिस जाने के अंदर they were not allowed to meet any of their colleagues and they were asked to leave on a drop of a hat. और आप देखिए हर कॉरिडोर के ऊपर दे हैव देयर बॉडीगार्ड्स एंड सिक्योरिटी गार्ड्स व्हिच आर हु आर देयर, उनको सीधे बोर्ड रूम में बुलाते हैं, लेटर देते हैं और कहते हैं कल से आप मत आइएगा, 3 महीने का सैलरी मिल जाता है. सो जो आप कह रहे हैं बात सही है. इसके पीछे ना एक बहुत बड़ा फैक्ट कैसा है ना सर, हम जितना प्राइवेटाइजेशन की तरफ जा रहे हैं और या जितना ज्यादा कैपिटलिज्म की तरफ जा रहे हैं, आई डोंट वांट टू यूज द वर्ड प्राइवेटाइजेशन, आई वांट टू यूज द वर्ड कैपिटलिज्म. आप जितना कैपिटलिज्म की तरफ जाएंगे, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स और ह्यूमन फैक्टर उतना ही कम होता जाएगा और ह्यूमन कंसर्न उतना ही कम होता जाएगा, और यही हो रहा है. अभी हम बोलें कि इसमें से हम निकल के क्या कर पाएंगे सर, वर्स्ट है, बिल्कुल सही है. बट स्टिल आई विल टेल यू, हम हमेशा बोलते हैं जिस सिचुएशन के साथ हम बदलने का और हमारे हाथ में उसको बदलना नहीं है, उसमें हमारे हाथ में एक ही है कि जिधर हैं अगर उसे छोड़ना अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते तो कम से कम ऐसा कुछ करें कि हमारा मेंटल हेल्थ अफेक्ट ना हो. सर आप देखिए, एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, if say after the jobs are important, we can't leave the job and sit back idle at home, right? तो अगर इसमें स्ट्रेस के साथ स्ट्रेस कम करने का एफर्ट नहीं करेंगे तो I think 5 years 10 years down the line our mental and physical health will be suffering and the company is not going to come and stand for us. So हमें काम भी करना है, चैलेंज भी है, उसमें अपने आप को बेस्ट कैसे अच्छा रख सकते हैं इस स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट. तो कहीं ना कहीं उसके साथ मैनेज करने के लिए कोई तड़जोड़ तो करनी ही पड़ेगी, कोई एफर्ट तो डालना ही पड़ेगा. That's what I think is what you said is absolutely right. But you know, ये बहुत बड़े लेवल का चेंज है जो शायद हम बात करके धीरे धीरे ला पाएंगे अपने प्रॉब्लम्स आगे रख के, बट अभी इमीडिएट उस पर कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं आएगा. तो इमीडिएट हमें क्या करना है, इमीडिएट हमें ये करना है कि हम अपनी हेल्थ का ध्यान रखें, सिर्फ फिजिकल का नहीं, मेंटल का भी. एंड देयर कम्स द नीड टू टॉक अबाउट स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट. Because if we don't talk about it, if we don't work towards it, if we are not aiming towards it, probably we are having more patients with diabetes, hypertension, cardiac arrest, and God knows what not. So I think it's very, very important to talk about it and do something about it. 100% क्योर नहीं होगा, पर अगर 100 के स्ट्रेस को हम 70 ले आएंगे तो आई थिंक इफेक्ट उतना बुरा नहीं होगा. दिस इज आई थिंक मैं बहुत ज्यादा इस क्वेश्चन को आंसर नहीं कर सकती क्योंकि बाकी चीजें मेरे हाथ में नहीं है, बट एज अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट हाउ आई सी इट इज दिस.
थैंक यू मैम. डॉक्टर बरोटे सर.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes sir, I
Yes.
can hear you.
Yeah. Ma'am, in this pandemic situation, how to maintain the mental health of children of age 12 years to 16 years, ma'am? They are very much going to affect, and they are thinking a lot on different issues of this corona particularly. And yesterday my daughter asked me the question that second lot is coming of the corona, Papa, we will allow you or not? What to say? Thus the family mental health is going to disturb very much.
Yes, what you said is absolutely right, sir. Absolutely right. That children are facing, students, the youngsters are having the challenge. And sir, stress management techniques, what I discussed, I think they apply to the youngsters as well. Tell them to validate their emotions. Ask them कि अगर stressful हो तो बात करो. Discuss. You also think that you are also stressed, but that's okay. This is not gonna stay forever. ये हमेशा नहीं रहने वाला है. थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट टाइम है, दिस विल गो. दिस इज व्हाट आई टेल एवरीवन. वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड.
लेकिन जो मैडम, सॉरी टू डिस्टर्ब यू, बट जो टीवी पे न्यूज भी दिखा रहे ना मैडम, वो ऐसी न्यूज है कि बच्चे देख के वो तरह तरह के क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं, उसके आंसर भी हमारे पास नहीं रहते. दो वी आर लेक्चरर्स, वी आर प्रोफेसर्स, बट वी कांट आंसर द क्वेश्चन व्हिच दे आर आस्किंग टू अस.
Right sir, that's what we are doing. हम बहुत youngsters के लिए sessions करते हैं ऐसे online. Whenever I next have the session, probably I can send the link to Abhijit Yadav sir and he can share it with you all. So we do it for youngsters as well. Now see sir, बच्चों को we have to tell this to youngsters that they have to cut down on social media. Already classes, everything is happening online. Cut down from social media because they have to sell the news. वो बनाना है तो उनको उसको पेपी और वरिड वाला बनाना ही पड़ेगा so that people listen to it. Cap down on news. Do something creative. Have gratitude, self-compassion. Talk within the family. Discussions. This is what is the cure to deal with the situation. You know, the panic is increasing. Or of course, जो आप बोल रहे हैं second wave, अभी this is too early for Maharashtra and other parts of India to celebrate कि COVID cases कम हो गए. This is too early. Probably if we don't monitor ourselves, now the festive season is coming. ये बहुत कुछ होने वाला है सर, और आप बिल्कुल ठीक बोल रहे हैं. I always say this, COVID has affected lesser people physically but more people mentally. So we have to talk about this. We all have to, as teachers, as parents, आप family को connected रखिए. Social media connection times, cap this. News time, prefer newspaper over television. That's what I say everyone. You have to cut down and monitor over this. But yes, next time for the youngsters, as I said, जो हमारे लिए stress management tips हैं, वही youngsters के लिए भी हैं. Because the time doesn't permit, I just have 1.5 hours. What best I could discuss, I discuss. But next, when we have it for students, I'll share it with Abhijit Yadav sir, and I think sir can forward it to you.
Yes, yes. Ajay Kendre sir, do you wish to ask question? I think he has left the meeting.
No problem. I think most of the questions are answered,
Yes, yes.
and I hope
Yes.
everybody enjoyed the session. Abhijit sir, I hope I could do justice to what you wanted.
Sure, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Ajay Kendre sir, please ask your question. He has raised again hand. Please unmute yourself and
Hello,
ask.
sir. Hello, sir. Good afternoon, all of you.
Hi, good afternoon, sir.
Hello. My question is, ma'am, in nowadays we are going to very bad situation. In that days, our family's role is very important for students because
Yes.
of our family pressure is very different.
Very
And
true.
actually, my question is, some students are going to wrong way by our family decisions. And actually this happens with me because of my dreams are very different as my family dreams. So how can I handle this different situation in this is a very bad condition for me, ma'am. Because of हम family के opposite नहीं जा सकते, ma'am.
आप बिल्कुल ठीक बोल रहे हैं. I think so. Abhijit sir, can you share my number with sir? I think it will be better, sir, if we talk about it. You can send me a message and we can talk about it. Probably, I would like to know a few things which will not be a good idea to share here on the public forum. And I can surely help that time.
I will share your number.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sorry for sir bad network connection from here, sir. Sorry.
Yeah, no problem, no problem.
Now, dear participants, we are Lalita Deshmukh, ma'am. You ask a question. We have less time. Please ask in brief.
Very good afternoon, ma'am. Actually, my question is, we are at the home, and at the same time, our childs are having online teaching. But at the time of online teaching, what we are doing is we are comparing our child with other child, and that impression grows in a such a way that they are in a different mode, ma'am. What to do in this sense?
Ma'am, I'm so sorry. I could not hear your voice is cracking a lot.
Ma'am, her question is that in this online teaching for children, we
Yeah.
compare our children with our colleagues' children,
Okay.
and that is her problem.
Okay. Deshmukh ma'am, I would like to answer this question not just in this situation but other times also. You know, what happens is this comparing children is the biggest problem for all the parents. Not just you, but then this, see, I think this is what everybody is hearing for a long time. See, parenting, I need every parent to understand first that just because we have given birth to our children and they're younger than us, that doesn't give us full authority over the child. So it's very important for us to understand that each child, they have their own set of skills. Not everybody would be good with English, not everybody would be good with maths, but I'm very sure there are few things your child or any child would be excellent in. And the sign of a good parent is how you recognize your child's strength and convert that into a blessing rather than concentrating on what they don't know. I see a lot of parents during my counseling sessions say, अरे मेरे बच्चे का मैथ्स खूप वीक आहे, खूप गणित खूप खराब आहे म्हणून त्याच्यासाठी काउन्सिलिंग करायची आहे. I want a teacher for math because it is weak. And then the whole year parents concentrate on math and then English or science, one thing which is their good area, that suffers because the whole year we kept concentrating on something which was not good. So please understand, already what is 40 can be brought to 60, but something which is 70 can be brought to 90, or something which is 60 can be brought to 100. Our effort should go there. And comparing, there is no point comparing because everybody has their own skill set. And it is very, very important as a vigilant parent to understand that each child is different and they have their own they have their own strong points. A child may not be, and in today's world, especially, ma'am, grades and these things will not be important after 5 or 10 years. How good human being a child is, that's most important. And I'm very sure when a child is brought up with lot of love, unconditional love and positive regard, they're going to excel in whichever side they go. So I very, very strongly feel this. So comparison, I think, should not happen, and there is no need to compare. Once you have this idea in your mind that my child has good things which are different from what a good thing others have, I don't think there'll be any problem.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, thank
you, sir.
I request one of our participants, Dr. Vaibhav Godse, sir, to propose vote of thanks.
Thank you, sir. Am I audible?
Yes,
yes,
please.
Okay. Good afternoon to all of you. I consider this occasion as honor and privilege to extend the vote of thanks on behalf of the Shiv Chhatrapati Shikshan Sanstha's Rajarshi Shahu Mahavidyalaya Latur organizes AICTE Training and Learning Academy sponsored 1 week online faculty development program on photonics, that is active learning in optics and photonics. I would like to thank the honorable resource person from today's session, Dr. Juhi Deshmukh ma'am. She gave us detailed and thorough knowledge regarding the stress management, and the last she gave with an example we feel the somewhat about the mind setup. So I thank from the bottom of my heart. You have been given your precious time, man. Indeed, your words have definitely inspired all the participants. Thank you very much once again, ma'am.
Thank you so
much. I would also like to express my gratitude towards the principal, coordinator, and working committee involved in the FDB program. I would like to thank organizers for giving me an opportunity to express vote of thanks. Thank you to all the participants for showing their interest in the session. Thank you very much to all of you. Now, I want to give hand over to Dr. Abhijit Yadav, sir. Please, sir.
Thank you, Vaibhav, sir. And thank you very much, Juhi ma'am. This was a wonderful session.
Thank you so much. The entire team, all the organizing committee, and especially to all the visionary minds who thought that, yes, we should be talking about mental